How to allow TikTok to access photos on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to give TikTok access to your photos on an Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. Now here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on apps. And after that, simply tap on manage apps. And here on the new section you'll see the list of apps. From here you can simply tap on the search bar and search for TikTok. And here simply tap on TikTok from the search result, and once you are inside the TikTok app settings, simply scroll down and tap on app permissions. Now here inside the app permissions you simply have to tap on files and media. As you can see, I have currently allowed the access to media, but if you haven't, just tap on allow access to media only, and by doing it, you will allow TikTok to access photo on Android. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.